But fellowship should lead to fellowship, discipleship. It's not enough to be praying always, feeling good, feeling nice, pero wala namang talagang ginagawang kabutihan. Worse, gumagawa pa ng masama, pero panay pa rin ang fellowship. This is what the Lord is telling us. Wala pong shortcut going to heaven. We all have to take the road, the long, narrow, winding road of sacrifice and the way of the cross. Come, follow me. Pakicheck mo nga, kapatid. Yes, you're prayerful, but are you a disciple in the way you treat other people?